Is it time to buy or sell TC BioPharm Holdings plc stock? In this video, we will explore TC BioPharm Holdings plc in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 9th of September, 2024, and now we aim to provide an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 6th of August, 2024, our system has classified TC BioPharm Holdings plc as a hold or accumulate, resulting in a score of negative 0.69. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a remarkable gain of 35.49% since we initially recommended purchasing TC BioPharm Holdings plc just 24 days ago. This achievement equates to an average return of 1.48% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases are likely. Over the next 3 months, the trend suggests a potential change of 285.26%, with expected returns ranging from 91.20% to 441.74%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 43.91% over the coming year, with potential returns varying from negative 82.89% to 100.19%. This equates to a price range of approximately 97 cents to $11.31 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for TC BioPharm Holdings plc includes the headline, Significant Fluctuations in TC BioPharm Holdings plc stock price on Monday, moving 64.95% between high and low. The TC BioPharm Holdings plc stock price experienced a decline of 28.03% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 9th of September, 2024, dropping from $7.85 to $5.65. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 64.95%, with a day low of $4.85 and a day high of $8. The price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days and has increased by 32.63% over the past 2 weeks. Volume rose on the last day by 147,000 shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This might serve as an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 461,000 shares were traded for approximately $2,600,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $9.43, while the lowest was 14 cents. Currently, the price is 40.08% or $3.78 below the 52-week high and 41.21% or $3.96 below the all-time high reached on January 13, 2023, when the price peaked at $9.61. TC BioPharm, listed on NASDAQ under the symbol TCBP, is making headlines with significant developments that could influence its stock price. Recently, the company announced plans to initiate preclinical studies for its lead therapy, TCB08, targeting monkeypox. This entry into emerging therapeutic markets may position TC BioPharm favorably, particularly in a healthcare landscape increasingly focused on emerging infectious diseases. In addition, TC BioPharm successfully dosed 5 new patients in its ongoing Phase 2b trial, further validating its clinical approach and generating investor interest. Such milestones typically reflect the company's progress in meeting regulatory and developmental timelines, which can bolster investor confidence. The company has also regained compliance with NASDAQ listing requirements, suggesting improved management of its financial health. Coupled with recent patent grants related to its gamma-delta T-cell therapies, this emphasizes the potential for technological advancement and competitive advantage in the biotech field. However, the recent upsized public offerings generating $6 million could lead to dilution concerns for existing shareholders, possibly affecting short-term stock performance. In contrast, successful trial outcomes and strategic therapeutic expansions can drive long-term growth as market confidence builds. Overall, BioPharm's strategic initiatives, along with their clinical advancements and financial maneuvers, suggest a mixed but cautiously optimistic outlook affecting both short-term volatility and long-term growth potential in their stock valuation. Analysts have assigned BioPharm Holdings plc stock a general strong sell rating. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for BioPharm Holdings plc. The stock of BioPharm Holdings plc presents a sell signal based on the short-term moving average. In contrast, a buy signal is indicated from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, there is an overarching buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $6.62. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support from the long-term average at around $3.58. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will lead to a sell signal. Additionally, some negative signals have been noted, which could impact the near-term trajectory of the stock. A sell signal originated from a pivot top point on Friday, September 6, 2024, with the stock having fallen by 28% so far. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume increased in conjunction with falling prices yesterday, serving as a potential early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands generated a buy signal 28 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal from 2 days ago. In contrast, the long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 26 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average has a buy signal from 26 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal from 26 days ago. The relationship between these two moving averages produced a buy signal 23 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for BioPharm Holdings plc. BioPharm Holdings plc finds support from accumulated volume at $5.57. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. This stock exhibits significant daily movement, and due to a very large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.15 between its highest and lowest points, which is a change of 64.95%. Throughout the last week, the stock's daily average volatility reached 36.26%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for BioPharm Holdings plc, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Even well-established companies can face challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios may signal insufficient profitability and increase the risk of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for TC BioPharm Holdings plc. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upward swiftly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you may want to consider entering a position and using volume to guide your exit strategy. On the downside, TC BioPharm Holdings plc faces its first support level at $5.57. If this support holds, it could provide a promising entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for TC BioPharm Holdings plc from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 30th of November, 2022, when Randall Diana Elizabeth conducted an insider purchase of 70,000 shares of Series B warrants. Our recommended stop loss is set at $5.38, which represents a decrease of 4.82%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, indicating a significant level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal triggered by a pivot top identified 25 days ago. Is TC BioPharm Holdings plc stock a good buy? TC BioPharm Holdings plc presents several negative signals, suggesting it may be a candidate for selling. However, considering the potential for a turnaround, it could also be viewed as a hold or accumulation opportunity in this current position while we await further developments. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our evaluation from a strong buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation since our last assessment. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 10th of September, we anticipate TC BioPharm Holdings plc will open at approximately 517 cents and begin trading at $6.17. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and we encourage you to consult with a financial advisor prior to buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.